Hello, welcome back to Far Cry 6. It's the end of another resurgency, or insurgency, and we need to get to the McKay global acid plant and retake it for the revolution and get rid of their leader, and as such we'll get some extra goodies. Actually got here by riding a horse, walked up to the bluff overlooking it, my standard loadout, shotgun rifle, sniper rifle, and pistol. I've taken some time and scoped out what's going on here. As I've talked about before, I'm in guerrilla mode, so some of my tagging wears off very quickly. We're going to attempt to turn off some of the warnings and the snipers. The problem we have is that there is a sniper way up here, which I do not believe I can get to from this direction. We'll have to get closer over here. We do have a lot of cameras to deal with, but first let's get this sniper. And we should be able to take out this light.
The camera needs to go.
A little worried that there is someone right next to this alarm.
Try to call backup now.
All we're going to do is try to get to the other side quickly without getting any alarms turned on. Over here, let's try for this camera.
Shit, a camera.
Stay outside of the range mostly, so probably won't see us as we circle the plant. Who's that sniper we're worried about? I think we can get the boat.
Better take out that
here.
camera.
One alarm remaining. I wonder where the other alarm is. Probably over near this other camera. Probably there. What time like the presence to head in? Alright, alarms are gone. Now we just need to find everybody. Not a good idea. There's people around. Well, while we're at this, let's go ahead and get Aluso to join us.
Aluso!
I'm going to get that sniper up over here, by the way. gotten everybody taken care of that easily. Getting the alarms to begin with makes life so much easier, especially then I can bring in one of my 2 Panthers and help mop up what's there. So very simply, we've gotten McKay's global acid plant back under control, and we're ready to head to new adventures. Hope this helps. Subscribe and watch for new videos as I try to slowly take control of Yara.